Welcome to Aruba. This place is special. It's more than just an island, it's a feeling. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. Picture the sun on your skin. Feel the soft, constant breeze. This is the famous trade wind. Open your eyes and see the water. It's the color of a bright blue jewel. This is the magic of Aruba. Our journey into Aruba's natural wonders begins at a place that consistently captures the hearts of travelers worldwide. Let's talk about Eagle Beach. This beach is famous for a reason, and it's not just local pride. Year after year, it earns its place on lists of the best beaches in the world, celebrated for its pristine, unspoiled beauty. The sand here is simply incredible. It's not just sand. It's a fine, powdery dust that feels cool and soft underfoot, even in the heat of the midday sun. What truly sets Eagle Beach apart is its sheer size. It is exceptionally wide and spacious, stretching out before you like a vast, welcoming blanket. This means that even on its busiest days, you can easily find a quiet spot to call your own. It feels like walking on a cloud, a gentle cushion between you and the rest of the world. Access is wonderfully simple, with plenty of free parking just steps from the sand. You'll find public palapas offering shade, but they are first come, first served, so arriving early is a good idea if you want to claim one. The best time to visit is in the early morning, when the light is soft and the beach is at its most serene, or in the late afternoon to witness a spectacular sunset. The water is as perfect as the sand, crystal clear, impossibly turquoise, and wonderfully calm. The gentle waves make it ideal for swimming and simply floating your cares away. This is what true relaxation feels like. Eagle Beach is also a vital sanctuary for wildlife. During nesting season, you'll see protected areas roped off for sea turtles. It's a beautiful reminder to tread lightly and respect the nature around you. And of course, you can't miss the iconic fofoti trees. Their distinctive, wind-sculpted silhouettes are a symbol of Aruba, creating the perfect frame for a postcard-perfect memory. Eagle Beach is more than just a beach. It is a sanctuary for the soul. Now, for a complete change of pace, let's head just a short drive north to Palm Beach. If Eagle Beach is about peace and quiet, Palm Beach is about vibrant energy and excitement. This is the social heart of Aruba's coastline. The moment you arrive, you can feel the fun in the air. The 2-mile-long strip is lined with beautiful high-rise resorts, bustling beach bars with music playing, and amazing restaurants where you can dine with your toes in the sand. It's a place to see and be seen, where the atmosphere is always buzzing. The water at Palm Beach is exceptionally calm, protected by its geography, making it feel like a giant, natural swimming pool. This placid condition makes it the perfect spot for all kinds of water sports. Whether you want to try stand-up paddleboarding, go for a gentle kayak ride, or take a windsurfing lesson, you'll find numerous rental shops right on the beach ready to get you started. One of the unique charms of Palm Beach is its piers. You can walk out, find a table right over the ocean, enjoy a cold drink, and watch the boats go by. And as the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over everything, Palm Beach truly comes alive with happy hour specials, live music, and the promise of a fun-filled evening. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty and exciting entertainment. Now, let's leave the buzz behind and take a scenic drive to the southern tip of the island, near San Nicolas. Here you will find a special place called Baby Beach. It's named for its unique characteristics. The water here is incredibly shallow, forming a vast, calm, and protected lagoon. You can walk out for what feels like forever, and the water might barely reach your waist. This calm, shallow water makes Baby Beach a paradise for families with young children, offering a safe and worry-free environment for them to play. But it's also a fantastic place for snorkeling, especially for beginners. Just a short swim towards the channel opening reveals a world of colorful coral and curious fish, all in easily accessible, non-intimidating depths. The vibe here is laid back and local. There are casual snack shacks for a quick bite, and stands where you can rent snorkel gear and lounge chairs. It's a little piece of heaven for families, offering a full day of easy, sun-soaked fun. But Aruba is so much more than just its beautiful beaches. To truly understand the island, you must explore its wild and rugged heart, Aruba National Park. The park covers almost 20% of the island, a protected expanse of desert-like terrain, dramatic coastline, and unique geological formations. It's a place for adventure, where the polished image of the tourist areas gives way to something raw and powerful. Exploring its trails is a humbling experience. While some areas are accessible by a standard car, the park's greatest treasures require a four-wheel drive vehicle. One of the most sought-after destinations is the Conchi, or natural pool. This stunning swimming hole is protected from the pounding surf by a fortress of ancient volcanic rock. Outside the rocks, the ocean is wild and untamed. But inside the pool, the water is perfectly calm and clear, offering an unforgettable swimming experience. The journey to get here is an adventure in itself, but the reward is an experience you will never forget. The park is also home to fascinating caves, like the Guadarikiri Cave. Step inside and you'll discover two large chambers, naturally illuminated by magical shafts of sunlight filtering through holes in the ceiling. Look closely at the walls, and you can see ancient Arawak drawings, a direct link to the island's first inhabitants. For breathtaking coastal views, head to the windward side of the park. Here you'll find Dos Playa, a pair of coves carved into the limestone cliffs where powerful waves crash ashore. Nearby is Boca Prince, another stunning inlet where white sand dunes meet the turbulent blue sea. Swimming is not advised here due to the strong currents, but the raw, dramatic beauty is a powerful sight to behold. A visit to Aruba is a journey through nature, adventure, and history. It connects you to the island on a deeper level, showing you the powerful, untamed soul of Aruba. Dive into adventure, water fun for everyone. Aruba's coastline isn't just a beautiful backdrop. It's a sprawling aquatic playground, offering a perfect blend of serene relaxation and high-octane thrills. The calm, clear Caribbean Sea on one side and the wild, wind-swept waves on the other create a world of possibilities, inviting you to immerse yourself completely. For many, the adventure begins with snorkeling, one of the easiest and most rewarding activities on the island. You don't need any experience, just a mask and a sense of wonder. The water is so clear, with visibility often exceeding 100 feet, that you can see entire ecosystems thriving just below the surface. Spots like Boca Catalina and Mangal Halto offer incredible shore snorkeling, where you can wade in from the beach and immediately find yourself surrounded by abundant sea life. Watch as schools of blue tangs and sergeant majors dart through intricate coral formations. It's like swimming in a giant natural aquarium. For those who want to go deeper, Aruba is a world-class diving destination. The island's dive shops are renowned for being professional and safe, offering PADI-certified courses for all skill levels, from beginner discovery dives to advanced certifications. The crown jewel for many divers is the SS Antilla, a German freighter scuttled during World War II. At over 400 feet long, it is one of the largest shipwrecks in the Caribbean. Resting in about 60 feet of water, its massive hull is accessible even to novice divers. Over the decades, the wreck has transformed into a spectacular artificial reef, now covered in tube sponges and vibrant coral, and home to thousands of fish, moray eels, and sea turtles. Exploring its ghostly corridors is an unforgettable experience. If you prefer your adventures above the waves, Aruba's legendary trade winds have you covered. These constant, steady breezes create perfect conditions for kite surfing and windsurfing, especially at spots like Hedikareri Beach, also known as fishermen's huts. Here, the water is shallow and the winds are steady, making it an ideal learning environment. Numerous rental shops offer lessons from expert instructors. Even if you've never tried it before, in just a few hours, you could be gliding across the water, powered by the wind. It's a thrilling feeling of freedom and power, a dance between you, your board, and the elements. For advanced riders, the conditions offer a fantastic playground for jumps and tricks, painting the sky with colorful kites. For a more tranquil pace, try stand-up paddleboarding or kayaking, glide through the serene Spanish lagoon, or explore the unique mangrove forests of Mangle Alto. Paddling here allows you to quietly observe the delicate ecosystem, spotting juvenile fish and nesting birds in a peaceful setting. Of course, sometimes the best way to enjoy the water is to simply let someone else do the work. You can join a catamaran cruise for a few hours of pure, blissful relaxation and fun. These spacious boats are designed for comfort and leisure. Most tours include multiple snorkeling stops at prime locations, an open bar serving refreshing cocktails, and delicious snacks or a light lunch. It's a fantastic social experience and an effortless way to see the island's beautiful coastline. Find a spot on the open-air deck or the bouncy trampoline nets at the front. Feel the warm sun on your skin and just watch the stunning coastline go by. The gentle motion of the boat and the endless blue horizon are the perfect recipe for unwinding. Sunset sails are especially magical. As the day winds down, you'll cruise along the coast while the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of orange, pink, and purple. Toasting the end of another perfect day as the sun dips below the horizon is a moment of pure perfection, the ultimate way to appreciate the soul-stirring beauty of this island. To truly understand a new place, you have to taste it. And in Aruba, every bite tells a story. The island's culinary scene is a vibrant tapestry woven from Caribbean, Dutch, South American, and African influences, creating flavors that are both unique and wonderfully familiar. The food in Aruba is a delicious mix of cultures, a fusion that has evolved over centuries. You'll find everything from rustic seaside shacks serving the freshest catch to elegant restaurants offering sophisticated culinary creations. One of the most famous and beloved local dishes is keshi yena. This iconic meal is a testament to the island's Dutch heritage. It's a hollowed-out ball of Edam or Gouda cheese, generously stuffed with a savory mixture of spiced meat, typically chicken, along with olives, raisins, and cashews. Baked until the cheese is perfectly melted and the filling is bubbling, it's rich, savory, and absolutely delicious. For a quick and tasty snack that locals adore, you must try a pistachio. These deep-fried turnovers are Aruba's favorite street food, perfect for any time of day. With a crispy, golden brown outside and a warm, savory inside, they come with a variety of fillings like seasoned beef, chicken, or gooey cheese. They're the perfect beach snack. And don't forget to try pan body, which translates to smashed bread. It's a slightly sweet cornmeal pancake that's the perfect accompaniment to stews and fresh fish, soaking up all the delicious sauces. Given its island location, it's no surprise that fresh seafood is a staple. Eating fresh fish by the ocean is a perfect dining experience. Ask for the catch of the day at a beachfront restaurant, and you might be treated to perfectly grilled mahi-mahi, red snapper, or grouper, often served with a zesty Creole sauce. Beyond the food, the culture of Aruba is full of music, warmth, and celebration. The island's soundtrack is a joyful mix of Caribbean calypso, soca, and the gentle rhythms of steel drums, creating an atmosphere that's impossible not to smile in. The biggest event of the year is Carnival. If you're visiting between January and February, you're in for a treat. It's a season-long festival of colorful parades, amazing costumes, and energetic music that takes over the streets with an infectious, joyful energy. To take a piece of this culture home, visit the markets in Orangestad. Here you can find handmade crafts, local art, and unique souvenirs that reflect the island's spirit. The capital city itself is a beautiful blend of old and new, where brightly colored Dutch colonial architecture stands alongside modern boutiques and cafes. The entire downtown area is incredibly photogenic and perfect for an afternoon stroll. offering endless opportunities to capture the island's unique charm. Getting around is simple. The Aruba system is reliable and efficient, with modern, air-conditioned buses that are an affordable way to explore the main tourist areas. Whether you're here for the food, the music, or the history, Oranjestad is a must-see part of your Aruba vacation, offering a deep and rewarding dive into the heart of the island. Your Aruba adventure awaits. We have journeyed through Aruba together. This island offers so much more than just a place to lie in the sun. It is a place of adventure, discovery, and connection. The best time to visit is from April to August, and Aruba sits outside the hurricane belt. Pack light clothes, your swimsuit, sunscreen, and a hat. Think about the tastes of the island. These are the details that make a trip special. Come and see the most beautiful sunsets you have ever seen. Come and experience the magic of one happy island for yourself. Your Aruba adventure is waiting for you. I promise you, it will be a trip you will never forget.